Mr. President, yung insidente na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
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 Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator Risa.
alam na alam ko po na matatalino mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
Ito to sa very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may say as a
It's not
civilian, sa professional police.
It
Sinabi
depends
tayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr.
dumaan
Chair.
ng,
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
record.
pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat tayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator,
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.